Welcome to Awakening the Sacred Balance Within. Your soul has waited lifetimes to awaken the sacred feminine within, and the path begins here. It's time to return to the ancient wisdom held in your bones, to awaken the sacred feminine rising within you. Within you lives a perfect harmony, softness and strength, intuition and action, and you are being called to bring them back into balance. The divine feminine is a creation itself, deep intuition, embodiment, sensuality, wisdom, and the magnetic force that opens the heart. Join us in the sacred forest of Woodland Park, where you will reclaim the divine feminine and return to your natural sovereignty. Experience a magical weekend where your spirit is nourished, your heart is awakened, and your soul remembers who you truly are. Create sacred tools infused with love, handcrafted rosewater, and divine sovereignty blend to anchor your feminine awakening. Step into a sacred circle of healing with Vialet and Jessica, two guides devoted to helping you rise into your highest divine expression. Are you ready to rise, reclaim, and return to your divine essence? Join us in September for this unforgettable retreat in Woodland Park. You can save $400 on a private room at our Woodland Park Retreat by registering and paying for the retreat by January 30th, 2026.